Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sliding notes in FL Studio. This easy method allows you to add incredible expression to your music. Sliding notes create smooth pitch transitions, making your melodies more dynamic and engaging. It is a powerful technique for bass lines, lead synths, and even percussive elements. Mastering this will elevate your productions, giving them a professional and polished sound. To begin, open the piano roll and place your initial note. This note will be the starting point of your slide. Make sure it has sufficient length, perhaps 1/2 or 1 full beat, to allow for a smooth transition. Next, duplicate this note, placing the copy either 1 or 2 semitones above or below the original. This second note will be your slide's destination. Now, select the second note you positioned in the piano roll. Look to the left-hand side of your screen in the Note Properties panel. You will find a small button labeled Slide. Click this button. The note will visually transform, often changing color or gaining a small arrow, signifying it is now a slide note. This transformation is key to creating the pitch bend effect. With your slide note created, you can now fine-tune its behavior. Adjust the length of the slide note to control how quickly or slowly the pitch bends. A shorter slide note creates a faster bend, while a longer one results in a more gradual transition. Experiment with different pitch intervals, from 1 semitone to a full octave, to discover unique sounds. This technique offers immense creative potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.